It's a Rubik's Cube! Hey, what's up, guys? It's Michael, and right now I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube for y'all. I've had this thing for, I don't know, about 3 years. It's a little old. But I'm going to get started on solving Rubik's Cube. Hey, Tux. Don't get up here. Why? Why? Okay. It's not supposed to be there. No. There we go. And this time, I promise I will not fuck up. Where'd it go? Let's see. Green and red, green and red, green and red. I got the white done, all the white side done. What I need to do now is, oh my gosh. Okay. No. Yeah. Sorry. I'm second guessing myself. Okay, there we go. And let me that is not supposed to be there. Sweet. Okay. I got all the middle done right now. All the middle colors right now. I gotta get that yellow cross on the top here, so. You know what? I'm just not gonna talk anymore. Shit, I did it wrong. I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna solve it. I'm not gonna explain anything. I'm just gonna solve it in the shortest time possible. Alright, I got the cross. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, cool. Yeah. Excellent. Boom, there it is. Solved the Rubik's Cube, and I think it's maybe a minute and a half. Not the fastest, but hey, I did it. But there you guys, there you go. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video and my and the bloopers coming up, please drop me a like, and I'll see you guys later.
Adios, bitches!
Hey guys, it's Michael, and today I'm going to show you, how to fuck a Rubik's Cube. What? 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 What did I just say? Huh? Ah! It started! No. Hey guys, what's up? It's Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Am I talking too fast? I hope not. Are there too many bloopers? Yes, there is! Hey, what's up? It's Michael, and today I'm going to show y'all not how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm going to solve it for y'all. I just want to throw my Rubik's Cube solving skills out there into the YouTube world. So I'm going to get started in a hot second. Excuse me. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the bloopers. Yeah. See you later.